Ensemo y'abanyakonda be county ya Kisii nigo besokire na gutugia gitambo kirokyo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii muske Simba Arati asogwesokia na kurumirimo y'ekipara gucyasa abanyakonda senchira y'omunyakondo y'omasekera sub county asomono bwe Kenyamurero Allotment roads okwana emambe yiritukuria rero nigo bono batugire gitambo kirikyo na gotepa buna nigo baro bari tayari gukwenekia ngo kibare guikirania na sensemeyo ya Allotment roads.
We hereby support the idea of governor of giving lots. Lots in way of construction is when you do selected tendering, whereby for you to deliver to the people of the mandate you say to fasten the process, it's good to give allotment to the people. So we are in support of the lots, the selected way of tendering, and His Excellency has promised us that on top of the lots, he will give other tenders to the other people who are remaining.
Governor has gone ahead. Already the allotment. Allotment even Kura, Kenaha, Nabeo Koraigo. Procurement Act has aroused him to do so. Ntobugata about your those allotments, and we do. And here we are. Jikategori Tobugate Jirim Barimbari. Ntobugata about Jacabon. We are Makora Kore, Aichakan. We are capable. I say you go, a Garogabana Rude go, Tabugat Magos. Chigas injuro jinka jink. Governor Tago in by allotment way, Munavon ICD classrooms and whatever.
Nigo bigo bagikiri abanyakonda bamwabo abo bakorera kikonda embeho na ndibaga netibakanwe kibese cy'ababurire mu gavana Arati kuri ngore bari bonse bakorera kikonda kikarnete iri banyaka bawakanwa.
Dogo tumelipwa na tunashukuru sana, aendelee kuinua wenye wako chini kuja juu na asiangalie mambo ya hewa nini, wenye wanampiga vita mawe, afocus kwa kazi ile aliamua atafanyia watu wa Kisii County.
Wono igangu akira Simba Arati mbi yamono. Aso okorigie task force ekabeka kitenda chonsi ibi kiri akora tukire genuine. Nande bwanchire gwakana. Twamusabira maya atwakane. Bali bande bali kipara bagoteba mbabwate amasakara ataleta twase task force. Twabasabira maya bagende kotini ko barabwe Simbo barengereri. No mo MCA atotebi nyore no mo chumbe tibana goteba nga CDF batari go icha si contractor ga si contractor chia Kisii na bwaba
ko bor Simba nane ngo motebia ababaso kire isiko batari chi contractor te anot bato bas ayegenderere mere mumune gavana ababatigare ta chi contractor dali no chi contractor Kisii same ngari ba Kisii County.
Abanyakonda bono nigo bamwakira mbye mu mugabana soko bakana na kurira gucye kuboterana nera siganga ya magendero gucya saba menye be county ya Kisii.
Tomo kinga kingororo akore mirimo elinde twanjirana na tutibesa kitairana Jones paka tutenenge.
It is good to avoid politics in construction, like those who are on the other side who are doing politics. I want to tell the people that those are politicians, those are politics. We are in business in construction, so we are in support of the governor. Governor, look of what you promised the people. Don't look at the side shows.
Governor itombu ya mono anchire gutwakana pending bills, and we are supporting him thoroughly atwakane elitogendere ko kolega sinere.
Kuripoteria Oyominto TV kuri county ya Kisii Eritrea Pethuel Machin.